This is your girl Dalu. Today we are going to do a little update in this room. I feel like this room has been jealous a little bit. You know, I haven't paid any attention to this room at all, so today I thought I would do something. It was all inspired by these beautiful lips that I got from Home Goods. They were $40 or $50. I love them. Let me show you. I love the crystal in the middle. I love the gold. It is all so shiny. And y'all know I'm into this color lately, and it has that little gold on it. Perfect to pop a little bit of color in the room, and I can change the shade whenever I want something more neutral. Guys, I still don't have my buffet yet. I have this console table that was here, but now it is in my living room. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this table that was in my family room, but it needs a little bit of TLC. It was already a gold color, but I freshened it up a little bit with the spray paint. The good news is I began searching for a buffet table, so hopefully I will find something soon. I'm looking for something very particular, so I'm not sure how long it's gonna take for me to find it, but I have something in mind. The contact paper was installed in a couple of weeks ago. It's really nice, but I don't like it for this particular room, so I'm gonna be putting a mirror on top of it. I'm going to be covering the border with mirror reflective paper, aka contact paper. Yes, my Glam squad, please keep watching so you can see the finished look. This mirror is from Target. I paid $14. I'm not going to glue it down because this is not a permanent look. Look how cute the table looks now. Sometimes it's not about perfection, it's about finding something that works and that can save me money. You understand what I'm saying, right? Alright, this is the paper that I use. It is from Amazon, has the lines in the back, which makes it easier for cutting. By the way, the console table is from Macy's Backstage, and the tilt boxes are from Z Gallery. Alright guys, let's move on to the centerpiece. I'm going to be using this tray from Z Gallery and two of these placemats from Macy's. This beautiful teal vase was a housewarming gift by one of my friends 4 years ago. I'm going to be using flowers from Michaels and Joanne. Let me take this opportunity to say welcome to the Glam Squad family. To those of you who are new, I'm so glad you guys have decided to take this opportunity to follow me in my journey of creating my beautiful, glam, and happy home. Please take this opportunity to subscribe and hit your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. And please give today's video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. I don't know how you call this, but I got it from Home Goods. Actually, it's one of my favorite pieces, but we're gonna use it today. I bought these candle holders from Amazon. It came 2 in the box for $25. I really like the crystal and I thought it would go perfectly with the crystal on the lamps. However, they feel a little bit cheap to the touch. They were not heavy at all. So I'm gonna keep them because they do look cute when I put them on the table. But I was hoping they were heavier and feel more expensive to the touch. These candles are from Burlington. Let me show you what everything looks like together. For my new friends, let me quickly tell you where everything came from. The dining room set, I bought it from my local Savavi store. I love this set, you guys. The gold rim on the side of the table and the chunky big legs, a truly unique piece. Savavi has a website, but on the site they don't sell to individual, but they can tell you where you can find an item or where you can find your local store. You can find some of the accessories in most of the online stores such as Amazon, Wayfair, Overstock, and so on. I will leave some links on where you can find the dining room set. The rug is from All Modern. They don't have it anymore, but Amazon carries it now. It is a 9x13. I truly appreciate the way it goes so well with the legs on the chair and the legs on the table. This is the Access Mirror from Z Gallery. On the other side, Glam art is from Z Gallery as well. This mirror is from Home Goods. I just bought it recently. I'm not sure the dining room is the right place for it, but we're gonna leave it there until we find a home for it. The curtains are from Home Goods. Cute little sign on top is from my hubby. The chandelier is from Lowe's, but I think I saw something similar on Amazon or Wayfair. Outlet cover, Amazon. I just want to remind you guys, I am giving away 2 Amazon gift cards. I will put a link in the description box so you guys can check it out. The big question that I have for you guys today is which item in the dining room is your favorite? Okay, my beautiful Glam squad, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I thank you so much for your time. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. I love you so much.